Being an FP&A manager means living at the intersection of numbers and decisions. It's about turning challenges into opportunities and driving strategy with data. Every day is unique, and today is no different. So let us show you how a typical day for an FP&A manager would go with and without Acterys. Your day started with a curveball. The board didn't approve the budget. Now it's crunch time. You need a plan, and fast. Let's break down what it would take without Acterys. Step 1. You'd start by gathering data from different systems and departments. The estimated time is about 2 to 3 hours, and your challenges would be manually downloading and extracting data from various tools. There's a risk of errors and missing insights. Step 2. Reconciling the data. This has an estimated time of 3 to 4 hours, and your challenges would be matching data from different sources, identifying discrepancies, and fixing errors. Step 3. Building the revised budget model using spreadsheets. This has an estimated time of 2 to 3 hours, and your challenges would be complex formulas, static models, and constant manual adjustments as new data comes in. Step 4. Conducting variance analysis manually with separate reports and documents. This has an estimated time of 1 to 2 hours, and your challenges would be manually comparing forecasts with actuals and identifying variances across numerous reports. Step 5. Communicating findings with the team via email, meetings, or calls. This has an estimated time of 1 hour, and your challenges would be disconnected discussions and lots of back and forth to align on the key adjustments. And then step 6, getting the revised budget finalized and approved by management. Now this has an estimated time of 2 to 3 days, and your challenges would be just the delays due to revisions, communication breakdowns, and waiting for input from various departments. All in all, you're looking at several hours of tedious work over 2 to 3 days just to get the revised budget to management, all while battling errors and misaligned data. So with Acterys, you can quickly gather the data from multiple systems for analysis and then share it in a brainstorming session with the commercial team heads through Teams. You can easily review key priorities and identify what adjustments are needed, and the ability to pull data from multiple systems and create a single source of truth is a game changer. It lets you focus on strategy, not just number crunching. Next is the variance analysis meeting. So this is where you deep dive into the numbers, understanding where you've deviated from the forecast and what needs immediate action. With Acterys, you can perform changes and get results in real time with its write back capabilities. Now, here's what you share with the team. Your revenue fell short in Q3 due to lower sales, but operational cost savings have softened the blow. With Acterys, you can quickly identify the most critical variances and guide the team on what needs to be addressed now. By mid-morning, it's time to shift gears. Now you're working on a financial model for a new product. And this means figuring out how much you can afford to spend on marketing and what kind of ROI you can expect. Acterys makes it easy to model and simulate different scenarios. You allocate 15% of the marketing budget to this launch and run multiple tests to find the most effective strategy. Predictive analytics and dynamic scenario planning mean you don't have to second guess. You can see exactly how each decision will impact the bigger picture. By early afternoon, you're faced with another twist. Customer demand projections for a key product have been updated based on new trends. With Acterys, adjusting the forecast in real time is simple. You review updated demand inputs from sales and customer service, tweak your model, and ensure that new projections are aligned with current trends. Acterys allows you to incorporate the latest insights instantly, ensuring your financial plans stay relevant and agile. By afternoon, it's time for some tough decisions. The board's feedback means you need to reduce the marketing budget by 10%. Together, you identify campaigns with lower ROI and use Acterys to simulate the impact of scaling them back. These real-time simulations ensure you make the right choices without jeopardizing key goals. The collaborative planning and forecasting features in Acterys make these discussions smoother. Everyone works from the same data and discussions are made with confidence. From morning curveballs to strategic planning, every day is a mix of challenges. But with Acterys, you can tackle them all with speed, accuracy, and confidence. Without Acterys, the FP&A Manager would face days or weeks of manual labor, data errors, and extended timelines just to revise the budget and identify cost-cutting opportunities. By the time the process is complete, actionable insights might already be outdated. Acterys reduces this process to mere hours, giving the FP&A Manager the tools to work smarter, not harder. With Acterys, what could have taken days or weeks is completed in a fraction of the time. Acterys, because FP&A managers deserve better. If you want to see how Acterys can transform your day, book a demo today and discover how it empowers FP&A managers like you to work smarter and achieve more.